I'm Raphael Landovitz from University of California in Los Angeles, where I am the director of the UCLA Center for Clinical AIDS Research and Education. And I'm delighted to be here at the 20th Symposium of Fundación Huésped. And today I gave an update on the data from the HPTN 083 and 084 studies, which compared long-acting injectable cabotegravir for HIV pre-exposure prophylaxis to daily oral TDF FTC. And the two studies looked at HIV PrEP efficacy and safety, cisgender men and transgender women who have sex with men in the 083 study, cisgender women in sub-Saharan Africa in the 084 study. The efficacy, the injectable cabotegravir product, which is administered as a single injection in the gluteal muscle every 2 months, was statistically superior to daily oral TDF FTC in both trials, and both were stopped early for that finding. The injectable cabotegravir was about 2/3 lower HIV incidence in the 083 trial and almost 90% lower incidence in the 084 trial, which is really a staggering and tremendous result for prevention efficacy in cisgender women. The safety profile of the medication was really quite good. It was very well tolerated. There were very few people who had to stop the injections for side effects. The most commonly reported side effect were injection site reactions, which were pain, swelling, or redness at the injection site, overwhelmingly mild to moderate, and they tended to decrease as people continued with injection. The most interesting thing we learned is that the long-acting PrEP agent seems to have effects on the sensitivity and timing of conventional HIV testing algorithms. So the conventional tests that we use to diagnose HIV can be delayed and attenuated in their reactivity with the long-acting PrEP agent. So you need to be very careful from monitoring for PrEP failure, even though it's a very rare occurrence with the injectable PrEP, because the consequence, at least in the 083 trial, we haven't seen this in the 084 trial yet, of missing a breakthrough infection, again, although a very rare occurrence, is resistance to the integrase inhibitor class of medications, and that could have important implications for subsequent treatment. We're very excited to await the regulatory submissions for cabotegravir here in Argentina, which we expect to happen as soon as there is a regulatory approval by the European Medicines Agency, the EMA, which we're hoping will not be too far from now. And it will be really great to have this as part of our HIV treatment armamentarium and portfolio to help people stay HIV uninfected.